In this video we are going to look at finding the average using mean. So there's three different ways in which you can find an average. The three averages are mean, median and mode. But for this video we are going to look at mean. You might have heard mean being used in sports, so you can have the mean number of goals scored per game, you could have the mean goals scored by a team in each year. You could also have the mean age of a class, you could have the mean age of people in a supermarket. This gives us it helps us describe a set of data. So in this example it says in 5 basketball matches Joan scored 16 points, 10 points, 22 points, 18 points and 24. And it says calculate her mean score for the 5 matches. So rather than using all 5 of these results, we're going to make a number, we're going to come up with a number that represents 5 as best as possible, all 5 of these results. So the way that we find the mean is, we find the sum of the numbers, and we all know that the sum means to add, so we're adding the sum of the numbers by the amount of numbers, or the number of numbers. So as you can see, the numbers are as follows: 16 plus 10 plus 22 plus 18 plus 24. So these are all of her results for the 5 games. And once we do that, we're going to divide by the amount of numbers that we have here. So as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is all given to us at the start in the question. And when we do this, we're going to put it straight into our calculator. I would do it a little bit at a time, so do the top part first, just so that you can show all of your workings in case you make a mistake. So as you can see here, all of these numbers added together will give us 90, and we still need to divide by 5, and when we divide 90 by 5 we get 18. So the average number of points scored, or the mean number of points scored, is 18 points. In example number 2, and this is very much applicable to your own results, and we can do this for your results that you've done for the whole year. It says Ava's mark in 6 subjects were 47%, 68%, 62%, 76%, 59% and 54%. Find her mean mark. Okay, so as we all know, the formula for finding mean is we add up all the numbers and then we divide by the amount of numbers, or how many numbers we actually added up. So what we're going to do is we're going to say 47 plus 68 plus 62 plus 76 plus 59 and plus 54. So we add the numbers, the sum of the numbers first of all, and then we divide by the amount of numbers that we have. So as you can see here, there are 6 numbers that we're adding together. When we put that into our calculator, we will get 366, and we're still going to divide that by 6. When we do that, we get 61. So her mean mark, or her average mark, is 61%.